Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Racing Kingdom quickly and easily. Whether you want to race with your buddies or meet new players, adding friends can help you get the most out of the game. First of all, open up the Racing Kingdom application on your device and log into your account. From the main lobby screen, click on the two human icons at the top right corner. This will take you to your Friends tab. To quickly add friends, tap the Add button on the left-hand side menu. Now, in the search box at the top right, enter your friend's ID or name. From the search results, go ahead and select your friends if available, and right next to their information, you will see an Add button. Tap the Add button to send friend requests to the contacts, and once they approve your friend request, you'll get a notification. After they accept you as their friend, you will be able to see their name on this Friends tab. And that's how quickly and easily you can make friends or add friends in Racing Kingdom. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.